Hi YouTube, in this video I'm showing the way I'm fixing this burned connector on MacBook Air 2019 A1932 model. What happened is some liquid got in on this connector on the logic board everywhere actually, but the main problem was here. It burned the camera, 5 volt for camera. It burned through on the connector, on the actual connector, on the flex cable, and on a T-con board. So instead of going, and slicing that camera flex cable, doing the kind of repair as the flex gate repair for the MacBook Pro A1708 or A1706 2016-2017, I decided to fix that connector, because this is, basically this is permanent connection here. Nobody's going to be removing it anyway. And I just decided that this is going to be the easiest and the most reasonable way to do it. Yeah, you will show, I'll show you the video of from the microscope after this, but I'm just doing a little explanation here so you can see what's going on. And the way I found out, which trace goes to the broken pins, you see those burnt pins on the connectors. The way I found out is, one second, I'm gonna show you that this actually works, so you can see. So you can see let me cover it. So see, brightness works, and same way with the, let's see, where is it, the camera. Okay, so camera works too. Okay, beautiful. So the way I found out, which pin goes where is I was using my broken screen from the same model basically. And I was actually thinking of reusing this piece of flex, as I said, as the way we do the A1706, A1708 flex gate. And so I decided to cut, not cut, but scrape the contacts in this area, so I have whole flex, if I need to use it. So I scraped it right here, and I was just tracing. This is one of the trace. I think this is the 5 volt trace, and it goes to the broken pin right here. So I was just using my multimeter. So one of those, I cannot really fold this, but anyway, so this is just the way I was just tracing, which, there are 4 pins are missing on this connector on that laptop. So 2 here, that goes to 5 volt, they connect together. Then the third one from this here, third one is ground. I did not even mess with that one. And 4th one is this, actually is that one of those 4. I mean, you'll be able to see on the microscope, but basically, so what I did is just I just soldered 2 wires here and here, and soldered them directly from this area, from here, directly to the T-con board right here. Okay, on the missing contacts there. And of course all other contacts are fine. So that was enough to get this screen going 100%, and I'm gonna just leave it like that. This is, it's didn't take me long, and the end result, it would be exactly the same as if I would just splice this, and this is a lot harder to do, and the success rate of that repair would be less than the one I did. So I'm pretty happy with the end result. So continue watching for the microscope footage, so you'll see, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on there and how I made it happen. Thank you very much, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.